Draft advisory continues. Seas 5 to 7, choppy for the inland waters. Watch out for rip currents. They're going to be around on Tuesday and Wednesday. We have 73 overnight with overnight showers, quick moving rains, more so along the coast and on the Treasure Coast. And breezy at times. The winds even tonight are gusting to 20 miles an hour. Some sunshine tomorrow, but also some more rain on the way. Higher rain chance in the afternoon, and there will be a rumble of thunder mid to late afternoon, and that could be an issue for the evening commute. Same for Wednesday. Thursday, looks like still some wet weather. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, brighter, and then we cool off. Sunday and Monday look fantastic. Mid-70s and less humidity.
Sounds fantastic.
Yeah, sure does.
Here's another